Kubor baman kesngi, awan lam shipi da unang yalam ni.
Chief Minister Konrad Kesama mentai kesngi chitrik April arjar apunru. Ulasam khusnam Lyngba ka Meghalaya IT Awards arhajar apunru. Na kapenta ki Samla Pule Jong Snem arhajar absan haso sutham auditorium Shillong. Yakini ko program lapaniya da Information Technology and Communication Department of Government of Meghalaya. Hakajinon lang ilakmen rumboy Minister of Education. Kum kabenta jong ko program. La sami ki laptop chaki Samla Pule de Chief Minister Konrad Kesama.
I remember a young friend had come and give a speech out here saying that please give a round of applause to the IT department. I think it should be the other way around. I think if I could request all our officials and the VIPs who are present, let us all stand up and give a round of applause to the students. Yeah, parents can get up, students can sit. Students don't need to stand. We are applauding you. Your parents are applauding you. The government is applauding you for what you have done. This is a very, very proud moment for all of you. I was very clear when I completed my undergrad that I want to go back to my state and give back to my state. Because that's what my father told me. In fact, he told me that I was 17 when I left India and went to Philadelphia. And a very young boy at that time. And my father told me the only reason I will let you go is you will come back after you complete and you will not start working there. And that is what prompted me to come back to Meghalaya and start my own business, do what I could to contribute to our state. Today God has given me this amazing opportunity to serve all of you who are sitting out here and the entire state. And that's why we do our best to give back to our state. We do our best to contribute and to take our state forward.
I'm the happiest man if anything is being done to recognize the hard work, the dedication of the student. Today is your day, the day which the government of Meghalaya, through the initiative of Honorable Chief Minister, that it being recognized here.
The objective is to recognize excellence in performance achieved by students as well as to encourage, promote and assist the students in the field of information technology by awarding laptop computers to all the meritorious students.
It gives me immense pleasure to be a proud recipient of this prestigious award. I am truly grateful to the IT and Communication Department Government of Meghalaya and the Honorable Chief Minister for this wonderful initiative that encourages young minds across the state to engage in healthy competition and strive for excellence in their fields of study. Yes, I understand that marks are just numbers and not to be the sole measure to determine a person's future. However, recognition like this reminds us that hard work, dedication and consistency do matter. And it feels incredibly rewarding to have those efforts acknowledged. When I topped the MBO's Class 10 board examinations, I was not aware of this award program. But when I was informed about it, I was extremely happy. My excitement truly knew no bounds. It was
Next, I call upon UGB Ruman Kumari Rai, CSE Doctor of Commerce. I would like to express our heartfelt thanks to our Honorable CM, who is the chief guest for today's event. We also thank Sri and thank all the departments who are involved, all of the guest dignitaries, dear parents, and of course, you students who are here.
Banyo iki kubor baman kesngi, subscribe ka channel Unang Yalam News. Kumle shibu.